Welcome to Invest Bazaar. Hi, my name is Sharvi Talesra and today I'll be continuing with the unwinding of SIF series and would be discussing about ratchet clause. So today I'm going to explain you about a financial term you might have heard in the investment deals, that is the ratchet clause. So a ratchet clause is a part of an investment in which it protects the investors. For example, you invested in a company and if the company value drops, you still are able to adjust it with the help of ratchet clause and get the new shares with the same worth. Now, why does it matter? It matters because it protects the investors from losing out if the company doesn't perform as expected. Without it, you won't get the expected amount of shares you initially planned for. Imagine you have invested in a company and you owe 10% of it. Now, if the company values drops, using the ratchet clause, you can accordingly adjust and deal and get the same value of shares worth the same price you had initially planned for. So, a ratchet clause is a smart tool for investors to ensure that they don't lose out even if the company value decreases. It's all about keeping things fair if the company doesn't meet the expectations. Want to explore more on AIF, PMS, SIF, and other private investments? Feel free to reach us out. And don't forget to like and share with the people who might find it valuable. Till then, take care. Bye bye.